Hey guys, Lynette here, and in today's video we're opening up another box from Influenster. So let's get in and let's get into that box. All right guys, welcome back. So as I said, we're opening up another box from Influenster. Now, if you never heard of Influencer, I know a year ago I have never heard of Influencer, but luckily I have. So if you've ever wondered how some folks get free products or free makeup or free beauty products, Influencer is an application that you would definitely want to download on your phone or sign up for on your computer. I'll have Influencer's information in the description box below or on my blog, depending on where you're watching this. So you guys can sign up, and if you want to connect with me, you totally can. Influencer, it's basically, it's for folks who kind of want to share their thoughts on how different products work, and they have these things called Voxboxes. Now, a Voxbox, this is what this one looks like. So what a Voxbox is as you're sharing your reviews of different beauty products, skincare, food, pet products, different items like that, as you're sharing your thoughts, it's a place where if you're kind of curious as to how a product works, you can share your thoughts on that. Or if you hated something, you can share your thoughts. They want honest reviews on this platform or this application. So what I did last year is I started watching videos of different folks who've gotten Voxboxes before, just to see how it works, to see if it was a waste of my time or not. And so far, this is the second Voxbox I've gotten this year. So it's not been a waste of my time. What they want is they will, as they see that you're reviewing, and it's totally free. So I don't know if I said that, but reversing back, it's totally free. So what they want is different companies want to know real reviews rather than like fake reviews. So they want your honest opinion. So what Influencer will do is randomly, as you're reviewing products and things like that, all of a sudden you'll get that magical email and saying, I believe it says you're on the short list. So they'll send you an email with a possible box that may be connected with your profile. And going backwards, because I totally skipped it and went ahead because my mind is just wanting to open this box. When you sign up for Influencer, again, it's free. You sign up and you give them some information about you. So what your skin tone is, what you like, your family, how many people in your home, what kind of food you guys like organic, different random things like that, just to get to know you and maybe how they can help you and maybe how you can help maybe a company that's looking to kind of test products out and see if they're worth it. So that's free. So based on the information that you put on your profile, they kind of connect different companies to customers or potential Voxbox people or influencers who are going to get a box. So if you ever get that email, definitely make sure that you accept or answer the questions right away. They ask you different random survey questions just to see if you would be a fit for whatever they're gonna send a Voxbox for. And I've seen, if you go on YouTube, you guys will see I've seen food Voxboxes. I've seen folks who get random Voxboxes of just random stuff with food, makeup, and totally different things. I've seen makeup, I've seen skincare, hair care. I've seen a lot of different Voxboxes. So I can't say what you would get. Everyone is different. So it's kind of based on the information you give Influencer. But let me know in the comment section below if you guys have ever gotten a Voxbox before, and maybe share with others watching this video what you did to get that Voxbox. I know they do have on your profile, they will have you answer different snaps. That's what they call it. And that's just, again, to get to know you, just to see if you would be a fit for any companies who are looking to test some products out or get an honest review. So that's what they're looking for. So with that being said, cut the yap. If you want more information on Influencer Lynette, the information will be in the comment section below, and you guys can totally connect with me. My link will be in the comment section below, and again, it's totally free. So I was excited. let's now just pretend you guys know all about Influencer. Okay, so I was super excited when I got my email. So I got my email from Influencer, and they were like, you might be on the short list. And I've gotten that email just a couple of times. So I'm not like one of those people who they totally send a whole bunch of stuff to. This is just my second box. So when I got that email, I immediately went and answered all the questions, because they do expire fairly. I think that like the next day it does expire. So you gotta kind of pay attention to your emails. I got it, and then I didn't hear anything. And then all of a sudden I looked in my Influencer application on my phone, and it said that you were part of a Drunk Elephant Voxbox. Guys, I thought that was a mistake. I actually clicked the link and it says track your package, because I never got any indication that I was getting a package. So there's a link when you get accepted to one of these Vox boxes where you can track your package, and it says we're working on it when I clicked the link, and I was like, oh my gosh, I'm in it. Okay, so I was super excited. So that was just like a week ago. So I guess I'm still a little excited. Excuse me. I guess making a couple videos and I'm totally losing my voice probably at this point. But okay, so cut the chit chat. So just wanted to give you guys an example of what comes in a Vox box so that you guys can take a look just to see if it's worth your time. So this is Drunk Elephant. So this is their skin happy place. So from what I understand, this should be all skincare. So I'm actually curious to see how this one is gonna look here. Last time they gave me like sample size, deluxe size products. So I'm kind of curious as to how this one looks. So when I open up the box, it's from Drunk Elephant, and you guys can see that there, and you guys can see how the box looks. And okay, I'm amazed because these are full-size products, guys. I've never gotten full-size products from Influencer before, so I'm excited. All right, so let me see. The yellow is totally throwing me off. Influencer, it's throwing me off. I can't hardly read it, but that's my fault. It says at Drunk Elephant, we think of our skincare routine as smoothies. Just hear us out. They're good for you. They're easy to mix, and you can change up the recipe whenever you want. Plus, each product is biocompatible and bioavailable. I think that's what it says, but again, I don't have my glasses. The yellow and blue is totally throwing me off, guys. All right, so which product, which means they're highly absorbable. All these absorbable words are like throwing me off. All right, so to be honest, we haven't had to drink them, but sometimes it's pretty tempting. So that's what it says there from Influencer, and it gives you the information of each product on the back. I don't have any prices, but this is a skincare skin rescue smoothie is what they're calling it. So I'm assuming they want me to try it. They want you to try it to give them your honest review. And there's a couple things that they want you to do, but they give you on your application, they give you like the breakdown of things that you want to do, that they want you to do. So you would go into like post maybe a review, they never ask for a video, so don't think you're committed to making a video. I'm just sharing for those of you who have been interested in Influencer Voxbox, just to see an example. All right, so this again, I can't believe it. So that's what it looks like inside. So we'll start with little and we go to the biggest one. So the very first thing I have is from Drunk Elephant. This is Lippy Balm. It's a smooth rescue. This is mangango nut oil peptides. So you see that there, and that's what that is. And this is 13 ounces. So let me see. Let's see. So this is what it looks like here. So this is like obviously it's a lip balm. There you go. And then let me see how that looks. Doesn't really have a smell. So I'm just being honest, it doesn't have a smell. So I'm not gonna pretend. Yeah, it doesn't have a smell. So that's cool. It's winter. All of us can use a lip balm, right? So, and I'm sure this is pretty expensive. And I'll put the retail value of all of these products, because obviously we'd be here all day if I looked it up. So that'll be on my website, so you guys can take a look at that. And then the next item we have here is TLC Framboos Glycolic Night Serum. So that is what that is there. And this won an award for New Beauty, Beauty Choice Award. This won something for being the newest beauty. And then this has a retail value of 1 fluid ounces, and that's what that looks like there. So this is a night cream, and I should have went in order actually. I'm gonna go in order because I'm annoyed because I love skincare and it's annoying me that I'm going in order and the wrong order. So I'm gonna start backwards. All right, so the next item here we have here is Best number 9 Jelly Cleanser. So that's what that looks like there. And this is 5 fluid ounces. So that's super huge. All right, so let's see how that looks here. And actually, for my birthday, Sephora, you know how they give you that free birthday gift. I actually got Drunk Elephant, and that's when I fell in love with Drunk Elephant for my birthday this year, when Sephora gave me that free gift. So I've been in love with Drunk Elephant ever since, so I'm definitely hooked to that. So this is what it looks like here. Hold on, and this is Kenal Glycerin. So that is that, and again, that's 5 fluid ounces. And let me see what it says. I'm gonna see if it's any. Okay, it just says, add this to your palm and gently massage over wet and dry skin. Add water to the lather, rinse well. We all know how to do that. Use nightly or in alternation with Drunk Elephant cleansers. It's 100%. Oh, it says, we recommend skipping the morning cleanse as it's not necessary if you've cleaned yourself at night the night before. I've never knew that. Okay, thanks. 100% free of essential oils, silicones, and fragrances. So that is really good. Let me see if there's any other info on this one. It's a unique blend of mild surfactants and makeup dissolving emollients. This gentle formula rinses away without an ounce of residue, leaving skin clean and soft. So that is really good. I'm actually still in shock that these are full-size products, but we will digress. Okay, so we have the cleanser, and then we have, hold on, I'm just trying to put them in order. Okay, so we'll go here. So this is Lala Retro, sorry. We have Lala Retro Whip Cream. This is 1.69 fluid ounces. It says rescue and recover. So let's see how that looks here. So this is a huge product there. So that's how that looks. Let's see if there's any tips for this product like the other one had also. Let's see, apply a pump of Lala Retro anytime to clean dry skin. Mix with any Drunk Elephant serum or oil as part of a total skincare solution. A tip, add a shot of B Hydra for an additional boost of vitamin B plus hydration. Also, Lala Retro may be applied to any part of the body for nourishing relief from dryness. So good, this is for dryness really. So let me see if there's anything else that we need to know about this. This multi-faceted rescue cream infused with 6 rare African oils and plant ceramide complex provides replenishing barrier support by reinforcing skin acid mantle and defending against the effects of everyday stressors. So that is really good. And again, full-size product. So I would say it was worth my time, guys. All right, so the next thing we have here is C Tangle Multivitamin Eye Cream. That is that, and this is a 0.5 fluid ounces. So you see there. And then let me see how this one looks. Okay, and okay, this is how it looks here. Hoping it focuses for you guys, and let me see if there's any tips here. So this one, you gently pat a pump of C Tango around the eye area using your finger, maybe mixed with a Shaba Complex Eye Serum. A tip, leave C Tango in the fridge for a cooling, soothing treatment. Okay, so this one says it's rich in restorative, featuring a brightening and combination of 8 peptides, not pesticides, Lynette. 5 from vitamin C, and cucumber extract for firmer, stronger looking skin around the eye area. So Sea Tangle is a dance of potent antioxidant, a whole bunch of other stuff, ingredients, and gentle for enough for AM and PM use, powerful enough to improve even stubborn signs of aging. So I'm definitely excited about trying that. And last but not least, the last very item that you put on your skin, this is, well, could be, but this is a TLC Framboos Glycolic Night Serum. That's what that looks like there. And then let me see. I want to show you guys the right spot. So that is what that is. And then this is 1.8 fluid ounces. And this says a high-tech HAA BHA gel that resurfaces dull, congested skin by gently lifting away dead skin cells, dramatically improving the appearance of skin tone, texture, fine lines, wrinkles, and pores. So it's formulated with our dream team of glycolic, tartaric, lactic, citric, and salicylic acid, and blended with raspberry extract and horse chestnut. It curbs excess oils as it reveals greatly clarity, luminosity, practically overnight. So yeah, it's overnight magicalness. So with that being said, let us do a recap and see what came in this Voxbox. So we have here the TLC Night Serum. We have also the Drunk Elephant Eye Cream. And then we have, what else? We have the Whip Lala Retro Whipped Cream. And we have the huge cleanser, and then we have the lippy balm. So what did you guys think of this Voxbox? If you guys are curious as to what my thoughts are, I'll definitely do a recap on what I thought about these products, but if you're on Influencer and you link to my profile in the description box below for Influencer, you guys will see automatically what I thought about this Voxbox. Definitely am excited about these products and giving them a try, because my first impressions of Drunk Elephant have been phenomenal, so I'm definitely digging them. So with that being said, if you guys love reviews and subscription boxes, make sure that you like and subscribe so you never miss another video. So have a good day, guys, and let me know if you guys have tried this in the comment section below, because I'd love to hear what you guys have thought about Drunk Elephant. So with that being said, you guys enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll see you on the next video. So have a good day, guys.